Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's AssetFX right here. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the playback tool. How to use the playback tool on TradingView, because most time this playback tool has been like pro version, like it has been a premium plan, like where you pay to use the tool. But right here, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it actually for free. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So right here, where is you go right to the bar replay tool, you tap on it. So right here you get to choose like like if you want like if you want to use the bar replay for backtesting, you can just go back and select the date. Either you select the date or you set it manually, just like this. You set it manually. So let me select this to off. So let me check from here. Then once you have selected it, just tap anywhere on the screen or on these scissors right here, and it's going to move price to that region. So right here you can just come here and set like how the bar will be replaying. Either it will be showing by 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, or a day. That's the candle. So that is here, but I set it to 1 hour. Then the candle speed right here. So that's it there. You can just this play icon, you tap on it and it's going to start playing. As you can see, it's playing right here. Or here's something you could also do. You can like be using this, what should I call it, this forward icon. Once you press it, the candle will move. You can just be pressing it and the candle will be moving. That's how it keep moving. Or you just want to play and watch, relax and watch and see how the candle keep moving. So right here, this is what I want to do. I'll try to take a trade around here. This is like when you want to use this bar replay tool for like backtesting. So as you can see here, this is like an M pattern. This is like an N pattern, and whenever I see this chart pattern, it indicates a change in trend. So as you can see, this is a high here. Price came to this place, retested, and it kept falling. It has come here again. As it gets to this place, as you can see, it rejected small, then started coming back. And as it gets here now, it's showing this sign of trying to retest. So as you can see here, it has gone to a key level right here. Which I can take an entry from here. Let me just do it as. Let me just take it a little bit back with, then tap on it. Come on. Come back. So right here, let's play this tool. As you can see here now, as you can see, let's say I'm to take an entry from this region now. Where is this? Okay. Why you short position? As you can see here, price have retested to this up to this point. So it's likely, as it broke down here, retest, is likely to come back and continue its trend. So I'll just put a I'll just put this right here and just move this up to this point. This is a 1-to-1 here, but my stop loss won't be this large. I can just use a, let's say 50, or okay, here we are already having a 1-to-3 RR here. Already having a 1-to-3 R here. So if I'm to take this trade here from this region, I'll just place my sell. What's this? Okay, as you can see, place my sell there. Like I'll move this. Okay, place my sell there, place stop loss. Once you tap on this stop loss and stop, it's going to come out. So place my stop loss around there, place my TP around here, place my TP around here. So once that is done, I can just either I'll continue playing the bar like this, or I'll just put up this. Look at this side, you see this flattening, like beside this buy icon, you're going to see this flattening too, like to remove this stuff, so you can actually view the chart. Once I just tap on it, as you can see, that removed, but it's indicating where the buy and sell, like the stop loss and take profits order are. So just here, play the bar and watch as the trade run. As you can see, it has retested again to either to continue its trend. Let's see. This is kind of okay. It's trying to look like a double top, but let's see. Let's see. This video is getting too long. I'll just do maybe 1 or 2 more examples before I short this stuff. So let's just wait. Don't know, it's taking too much time. Or should I just take profit here? Run. Yeah, as you can see here, take profit is hit now. Take profit is hit. As you can see, it's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. I don't want to. Let me just leave it here. If it hits SL, whatever. Let me just leave it there. If it hits SL, whatever. So I'll just take a buy from this place. Put my SL at this point. Take profit at this point right here. If you wanted to, wait though, where did it go? This video is taking so long, please. So TP right here. So either we leave it here or we flatten it. It's flatten now. Let's just leave it. Let's leave it here. Let's leave it and watch. Okay. Price go. Here you can see stop loss. This stop loss here. Stop loss has been hit. Stop loss has been hit. But let's still see. Alright, as you can see there, as you can see, so guys, that's how to like use this bar, what's it called, bar replay tool. But here's the catch, guys. This bar replay tool can only be used on the higher time frame. Let's see, like from the 1 day. If you watch my time frame here, you can see this is a daily time frame here. So if I'm to go through the 1 month time frame to continue, but I can't go lesser, I can't go below this daily time frame. Okay, let me show you guys. If I go below here now, as you can see, so some of you guys might think I'm using the paid version. As you can see, it's actually, but it can only work on the daily time frame. Please guys, if you are watching up to this extent, go to like, subscribe, and turn up the post notification button. I hope this video was insightful and informative. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So that is it. This bar replay tool can only be used on the daily time frame. Can't be used on the 1 hour or 30 minutes or 2 hours. So it can be used from only daily upward. So guys, that's all. Okay, so you can see this last trade ended in loss. You can see the wins here. So guys, that's all. It's Asset FX here. Peace.